Hey, what up, you guys? So I'm on here to do a video response for SparklingChar. She's having a challenge on her channel, and I think the deadline is September 30th, and she's going to be announcing the winner October 5th. So all she wanted was a memory deck, a couple of die cuts, and some embellishments. So of course I did the peekaboo because I can't help myself, and I love that paper pad. I'm just addicted. In here I gifted her a couple of spiders that I cut out with black paper and some of the spider pattern paper. They look like this. And then some pumpkins that I die cutted from my mom's die cut machine. She only wanted 4. I think I gave her a lot more than that though. And then this is the memory deck. So let me just move this stuff aside so you don't get too distracted. I just packaged it really like simple. This is how it turned out. I was having a little trouble. I don't know why. But I actually used some crepe paper, double crepe paper that I got the idea from Mommy and her 4 little ladies. I'm gonna leave her link down below, you guys, in that tutorial, how she shows you how to make this type of rosette. And I have a tutorial that I will be uploading as well to do a regular crepe paper rosette, but you know, they don't come out perfect because I can't. I don't know how these ladies do it super precise. It's like perfect. Anyway, I put Keep It Real. I fussy cut these two, the pumpkin and the skull from the collection. And then in the back, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a witch hat that I painted black. That's the one from Dollar Tree. I also added a spider web. I try to do some layering, but a spider web, some of that spider web from Dollar Tree, and then I kind of fussy cut it out from the tool from Dollar Tree. I'll show you real quick. This tool here, and I just layered it in the back. Super cute, right, you guys? So, and then this little ghosty, I put her there with a little sequins, some bling, some spiders, and a flower. And then the back looks like that. Did I put my information? Of course not. I gotta do that. In the back, I did it like that. And my mom has some punches that she lent me, and I just punched this out from a scrap paper from the collection. This washi tape I just added on there because I felt like it needed like a border or something. And then that was a scrap too, so I just made it into a cute little tag. Used my tiny attacher, put some ribbon on there. So that's my memory decks for Char. And these are the die cuts. Made these like rosettes. Oh my god, I had so much fun creating these though. Okay, so I used crepe paper and that technique I told you, using 2 crepe papers together. And in like this one and this one, I added this trim. And I'm behind on videos, but I will be sharing that soon. I got some trim from Debbie Love, so I just cut them out, and I placed them behind these 2 here, the pink one and the black one, just to give it some layering. These 2 are a little bit more simple, doesn't have as much. So we got rosettes, we got tulle, we got that flower lace, some bats, some of this thing that I used to just put in the back. It says beautiful, Keep It Real. This one just has the crepe paper rosette, and I also used some, I was gonna say cotton, but the spider webs. So cute, right guys? Look, I put a bat there, and then I don't know, but I love the black one. I don't know, black is my favorite. And then these, actually, I punched them out, and they were kind of ripping. So I was like, I don't want to throw them away. So I just glued them on real quick outside of the packaging. And then she can reuse the paper if she needs to, but I think she has the paper anyway. But she can always reuse it because I put this like on an acetate sheet, I think. Did I? Yes, I did. I don't know if you guys could see that. So it's on an acetate sheet stuck on there with I don't even know, glue dots maybe. I'm also including this super cute bows that I made at my mom's house. Well, I die cut them and then I put them together when I got home. I picked these up from my the store around my neighborhood called Amazing Savings. They're just bling, and I know SparklingChar loves anything glitter and bling, so I had to hook her up with that, and I just put Happy Halloween. These are Joby stickers. And I'm also gifting her some of these old rosettes I told you about, and some googly eyes. They have eyelashes and some of the ones that hubby picked up for me, and they're so cute. I love that I put in the middle of the eyeball. Crafting with Liller gave me that idea. And then I gave her a whole bunch. Now these are not perfect, you guys. So sorry, Char, if they're like a little wonky. If you have to trim them, do what you need to do. But I created them and I gifted her some so she can use it for her collection. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, Char. Guys, make sure to go check out her channel. Let her know I sent you. And I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye.